my name is Taryn Ambrosi, and I own Ambrosi Design. And today I'm doing a little bit of an unboxing video. So I haven't made a video in a long time because, let's be honest, I'm not that great at making videos. And I'm doing an unboxing video for Alice's Wonders. So I've spoken about Alice's Wonders a few times. It's a local company here in Queensland, now based in Monto. And I have a sample of the new range that has just been released from Alice's Wonders. So I came home today from work, so this is full work attire, to this box, and I have a few things, so I'm not too sure what I can talk about, if I can talk about everything, so I will, and maybe get in trouble, I don't know. So sorry, Fiona. So the first thing is the new soap. So this is a lemongrass and lime soap. So this will be a standard brush soap for you know, standard paint brushes. And what we have is the ingredients. We have the first ingredient, so here we go. The first ingredient is coconut oil. Oh geez, coconut oil, fragrance oil, distilled water, sodium hydroxide, and then in brackets we have 0 content following soap making process. So this is just a beautiful smelling, clean product, locally made in Queensland. And if you're looking for a soap to clean your brushes, this is a go-to. I can't fully describe how fresh and beautiful this fragrance is. It's also, not only is it for standard paint brushes, but I actually also use these soaps on my makeup brushes. So I tend to wear a little bit of makeup, and these brushes are a few years old and they just look brand new. So I've used soaps, Alice's Wonders soaps, on my brushes, and it doesn't damage the bristles. They're left feeling conditioned and soft. So you can also use the soaps to clean your makeup brushes, which, let's be honest, we all should clean our makeup brushes a little more regularly. Now I've also received a little sample, so I'm not even going to turn it around. We have a gentle moisturizer. So it looks like a bump. I've already stuck my paws in there and had a look. So at the moment it's fragrance free, so I can smell the primary ingredient is quite distinct. So I'm looking forward to actually using that, and I won't say any more about it, but it's quite exciting. It's yeah, I'm waiting to see what will happen with that. Now I also have this is a liquid soap. It is quite watery, and the fragrance of this, so there's nothing on here, so I think this might be a tester also, which I'm very grateful to receive and to test out. This is a brush cleaner, and the fragrance is grapefruit, which is like that delicious cocktail sort of grapefruit fragrance. You know, it's almost got that floral, peppery, fresh fragrance to it. So I'm curious to try that out. I can already see by the bubbles collecting here that it's going to be a strong enough formula to really get in and clean the bristles of the brush. And having it in liquid form like this just saves sort of lathering. You know, you can get to work a little bit quicker and clean smaller brushes quickly than a bar of soap. So it's really amazing to have an alternative option. You know, I can't wait to use this. It smells amazing. So I'll leave it there. So I am looking forward to using all these products that Fiona has sent over from Alice's Wonders. So we've got, this is the new soap, so you can buy this on Facebook. So I'll post a link showing where you can purchase this, and from memory I think it's under $10 to buy this bar of soap. And when you do buy a bar of soap, it lasts so much longer and it's more environmentally sound, so you don't need the packaging. This, mind you, that's glass. So as packaging goes, Fiona's always so conscientious about, you know, being having as light a footprint as possible when creating her packaging. So paper and a bar of soap, little tin, and a glass jar. I don't know what it's called, hand pump thing. Anyway, that's enough of my rambling. Alice's Wonders. So once again, I'll post a link in the description box below, and have a look at the products. There's a couple of things there. So there are balms, there are all different types of soaps, and lip products as well. So really moisturizing for the lips. So fantastic. I can't speak highly enough of this little company. So support local business and give Alice's Wonders a try when you get a chance. Thank you.